Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn Microsoft is providing the Fabric certification for DP600 and DP700. Both the certifications, one of the certifications you can get a voucher and you can use that, and previous date was 28th of Feb 2026 and now date is extended up to 15th of March 2026. So I'll go through the step-by-step process to how to avail this offer and how to get a voucher for the DP600 or DP700. You can use the same voucher for one of this certification and you can save up to 13,000 for that. So here we have a 100% free Microsoft Fabric certification, that is DP600 or DP700. This is a limited time offer and Microsoft is offering the free certification voucher for the Microsoft Fabric exam DP600 and DP700. In this video, learn the step-by-step process to apply and claim your 100% discount voucher before the offer ends. So apply the free voucher here. So this is the URL. We'll go through the URL. First, we'll go through the eligibility requirements. So qualify for the free Microsoft Fabric certification voucher. Join the Microsoft Fabric community. Complete 3 Microsoft Learn Fabric modules. So I'll show you the link also. So register for the Fabric live session. Be ready to take the certification exam and take the exam within 1 month after receiving the voucher. So important is the voucher are limited and submitting the form does not guarantee you will receive a voucher. So this is the important notice for you. And deadline, new deadline is the 15 March 2026 until the voucher run out. So do as soon as possible and go through the step-by-step process and don't skip the video. I'll show you all the things. So there is a great opportunity to earn a Microsoft Fabric certification, boost your career in data analytics, data engineering and Power BI. So helpful links are there. So I'll go through this link first. So get certified for the free, don't miss the chance, and get certified Fabric certified extended. So you can be able to see that limited time and limited supplies. Get Fabric certification for free. If you are eligible for 100% discount voucher for the exam DP700 or DP600, this is a limited quantity are available. And one more important thing is that if you have received a voucher on the Fabric date, you are not eligible for this offer. So I already created video regarding Fabric date, data date. So many people got the voucher for that. They sent me a message on regarding that also. So this offer only available for the DP600 and 700 exam only. So this won't work for the other exams. To be considered, please complete the form and ensure you meet the following criteria. So this is the criteria already we have discussed. So again, I'm going to step by step for this. So Fabric community, if you haven't already, complete Microsoft Learn Fabric module. If you click there, and here also I have given the link. So this is the how to create a Fabric account. So in this link you will get, so step by step process to how to register a community account. So all the steps are there, register and all the details. You can go through the link. I will provide you in the description. So next is the Fabric module. So official training path. So open this URL. So get started with the Microsoft Fabric. You can get the learning path. Modules is there. So you can see there is a too many modules are there. And next, the register for the live session is there and course details are there. So from here we'll go. So you register for a live session. You can open this link and you go through the live session and be prepared to take your exam now. And taking the exam within 1 month receiving the voucher. When you will receive the voucher, this will be going to be expired within 1 month. So just give the exam within 1 month. So submission of the form does not guarantee that you will receive a voucher. So this is the notice is there. And main thing is that the submission period ends in the March of 15 to 0626 11:59 p.m. The time zone is there. So if you are eligible as supply, you will receive the voucher via the private message in the fabric community. Voucher can be take up to 2 weeks to arrive. If you do not receive a private message, it means that you are not eligible either due to limited supply or product submission. So be careful about that. So exam must be taken within 1 month receiving the voucher. So frequently asked questions are there. You can go through the step by step, and term and conditions are there. This is also important. So terms and condition, you can go all the details. And for additional issue inquiries, get help through the this is the email address. You can connect with this email address, and all the details are there. Your age and not exam offer is not transferable. Void will. So all the details are there. Okay. So we have gone through the step-by-step process to how to avail the 100% free Microsoft Fabric certification. Extended time is there. So save up to 13,000 plus DP600 and DP700 voucher, and Microsoft offering the free certification voucher for the Microsoft Fabric exam for this one. So we have done all the things. Now disclaimer is there all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Previously I have created video regarding this, but date is extended, so I am creating one more video, and don't skip the video. So I have gone through all the steps. So subscribe for the free tutorial certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official channel. Thank you.